Oshkosh L-ATV is not just another military truck. It's the future of battlefield mobility, the next step in tactical evolution. Designed and engineered by Oshkosh Defense in the United States, this vehicle stands as the ultimate successor to the iconic Humvee. The L-ATV combines speed, strength, and survivability into one highly advanced package that redefines what a light tactical vehicle should be in modern warfare. The U.S. military demanded a vehicle that could do it all: survive IED blasts, carry troops and gear, move fast across any terrain, and still be air transportable. Oshkosh answered with a masterpiece of design and technology, the L-ATV. At first glance, it looks aggressive, muscular, and intimidating. But every curve and every bolt has a purpose. From its armored V-shaped hull to its intelligent suspension system, everything about this truck screams survival, performance, and power. The 2026 Oshkosh L-ATV continues to push the limits of what this platform can do. It's not just about brute strength anymore, it's about combining mobility, modularity, and modern electronics into a single, unstoppable force on wheels. The truck weighs around 6.4 tons, depending on its configuration, and can carry a payload of approximately 1,600 kilograms. Its 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine produces an impressive 400 horsepower and 660 pound-feet of torque. This allows the L-ATV to reach speeds of up to 110 km per hour on paved roads, and it handles off-road conditions like a professional athlete on steroids. What really makes the Oshkosh L-ATV stand out, however, is its Torque 4i intelligent independent suspension system. This is the same system Oshkosh developed for its heavier vehicles like the M-ATV, but here it's tuned for light tactical use. It provides 20 inches of wheel travel, allowing the truck to glide over rocks, mud, and deep ruts with incredible stability. Even in extreme off-road conditions, the vehicle remains smooth and controllable. The suspension automatically adjusts to terrain conditions, ensuring maximum traction and comfort for both driver and passengers. Inside, the L-ATV looks like something out of a futuristic military simulator. The cockpit is digital and modular, allowing various mission systems and communication suites to be installed easily. The seating is designed for long missions, providing protection from blast energy through special energy-absorbing materials. Every inch of the cabin is reinforced, yet surprisingly ergonomic for a military-grade machine. When it comes to protection, Oshkosh has engineered the L-ATV with MRAP-level survivability in a much lighter package. The armored hull features advanced composite materials that can resist small arms fire, shrapnel, and even mine blasts from underneath. The V-shaped underbody deflects the force of explosions away from the occupants. Optional armor kits can increase protection levels without compromising speed or agility. In short, it can take a beating and keep moving. Another critical advantage is modularity. The Oshkosh L-ATV can be configured into multiple variants: general-purpose troop carrier, command vehicle, heavy weapon carrier, and ambulance. The roof can mount a range of weapon systems, from remote-controlled machine guns to anti-tank missile launchers. This flexibility makes it a multi-role vehicle capable of adapting to different combat environments, from deserts to urban zones. In 2026, the Oshkosh L-ATV is not just serving the U.S. Army and Marine Corps, it's also being exported to allied nations. Its adaptability, reliability, and advanced engineering make it one of the most desirable military trucks on the global market. For example, European and Middle Eastern defense forces have expressed strong interest in the platform due to its balance between cost, protection, and performance. Speaking of cost, the price of an Oshkosh L-ATV depends heavily on configuration and optional systems. The base model starts around $350,000 to $400,000 USD, but once you add armor kits, electronic warfare systems, and weapon mounts, the cost can exceed $550,000 per unit. However, compared to the operational advantages it brings, many defense experts consider it a worthwhile investment. The vehicle's reliability and ease of maintenance help reduce lifetime costs, something militaries around the world pay close attention to. Performance-wise, this vehicle is a game-changer. It can climb 60-degree slopes, cross 1.5-meter trenches, and handle deep water fording up to 1 meter without preparation. Its turning radius and acceleration are impressive for its weight class. Even under heavy load, it delivers consistent performance in high heat, cold weather, and rough terrain. The Oshkosh L-ATV was designed for the worst conditions imaginable, and it thrives there. The 2026 model also features advanced electronics, including integrated navigation, battlefield communication systems, and optional drone interfaces. The L-ATV can operate as part of a networked battlefield, sharing data in real time. This connectivity allows it to act not just as a transport vehicle but as an intelligent battlefield node.